Hello, my name is Bredelia and I'm going to show you how I used Microsoft OneNote. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like, and over here are all my notebooks that I have. So I put all of my classes down, and then I just put a few fun ones that I do for hobbies, like I watch Cubs games, Indy basketball, and Purdue basketball, and sometimes I take notes on them. So let's start off with one of my hobby ones just for fun to see how it works. So I have Cubs games. I have spring training versus regular season because it's pretty much two different things. And then I have right here different topics to possibly start looking into, like who to keep an eye on, which also ties in with possible prospects. And then this one is something I find interesting as well. What is going on with the Sox because they'll be pretty good in a couple of years. And then so for the purposes of this class, I have EDCI 270 as a folder. And then over here I have different notes on like physical education, the importance of it, and then if you click into it, it shows up with this, which I have a couple links for different articles, one over here as well. And then I have one down here, which also helps me answer this question that I have, why is physical education so important, especially in our society? And then if you scroll down, you can see that I highlighted a couple things and then annotated it a little bit by writing stuff out on the side, things that I found necessarily important or stuff to consider. And then in the gray, I did stuff that also tied in with my 205 class.